excited. Today we're making a cake that is celebrating America, and I'm so excited to bring it to you guys today because I was like thinking, I was like brainstorming, I was like, I really want to do something that has to do with America and something that's strong and beautiful. And so I kind of, with the Lord's help, of course, because it totally wasn't all me, came up with this cake, and so I'm so excited to bring it to you guys today. So we start with a 3-layer 8-inch cake here. It's all navy blue, and in the front you'll see a little banner that says United We Stand, which is what I really wanted to emphasize today. Just collectively, America, the whole world has been through such an incredibly horrific year, and I am just praying that, you know, this just helps everyone come together in the spirit of one and unity, and so that's why that's there, United We Stand. And then on top of the cake, I wanted to do something really cool, but before I put the topper on, I wanted to just make sure that I put some wooden dowels inside of the cake. So here you'll see there are 4 wooden dowels because this cake needs to keep its shape, and usually if we put something on top, it can make the cake kind of crush down if you're not careful. So you always want to just make sure that it has some nice stability. So what I'm going to do is put this amazing eagle on top, and I love it. It looks like it's so much heavier than it actually is, which is so awesome because you get the look of what you're looking for, but it's not, you know, going to crush your cake either. So what I'm going to do is take this beautiful bald eagle, which, you know, totally represents America and its beauty, and just set that on top. And as I'm setting it there, I want to, let me see here. Oh, can you hand me that bag with the colors right in front? Yeah, thanks. No worries. Thanks, Auntie Sophia. So Auntie Sophia is totally the best helper ever, okay? She's so awesome. Okay, so I have this bag here that has all these different colors in it, and red, white, and blue. And what I'm going to do is just take a little squirt here, and this is what I'm going to put the eagle on. So we just make sure it kind of has a place to rest, which is really awesome. So next, what I'm going to do is I have an American flag here that I'm going to use for the front kind of the cake. And I'm going to put it up in portions here because when you are dealing with fondant can be kind of funny. Fondant is funny, so you just want to take your time with it. I have some stripes here, and I'm just going to kind of lay them down on the front of the cake. So I want to make the American flag look like it's just kind of draping. So I'm taking this here. You all see that? And I'm just kind of laying it down and pressing it onto the cake. So it just kind of looks like it's flowing a little bit there. And now I'm going to add another portion of the flag here. And you just kind of want to make it look like it's ruffled a little bit. So I have a shorter portion of the flag. And I'm just going to put that over here on the side. Over here. And just kind of make it overlap a little bit. And then I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to add the blue stars here. On the other portion right in front of the eagle. Okay. So here we go. Here's the American flag. And you can do any kind of trimming you want to do to make it look like it's really nice and even. However you want to do it. I'm going to just kind of extend the blue over just a little bit so that we make sure that it covers. Okay? And so that it looks like it's just kind of overlapping. All right, and now here what I'm going to do is I'm going to add just a couple little puffs here of this beautiful, colorful buttercream. So you can see the beautiful colors. You know I love colors. So here we're going to add a little bit more on the side. And y'all, I made red, white, and blue macarons today. Aren't they cute? They're adorable. So, you know, we love around here at Sugar Blush, we love macarons. So we're just going to put some here and just make the cake ever so dainty and cute. Yes. Okay, and over here on the side too, we're going to put another little one. We'll make it go this way, just on the side a little bit. Super cute. And I'm going to add some sprinkles too. So it's like strong, but it also has some cuteness, which is like everything that I love. I'm going to have some ruffles here on the side. Just some nice little beautiful ribbons of frosting here. We're just going to go around and spin. And you're going to have a beautiful, nice ribbon of buttercream with different red, white, and blue colors. And of course, to put the whole look together, we're going to add some sprinkles. Okay, so we have this different medley of different sprinkles here. I really love the red, white, and blue stars. So that's what I'm going to use here on this pin too. I just love this. It's so fun. Doesn't it look awesome? Just like a little stripe of all the different colors and the different stars. It brings so much dimension to your cake. It looks so lovely and so, so awesome. Super strong, powerful, beautiful, everything that America represents and everything that we love. And so if you want to win this cake, all you have to do is like and share this video and make sure you like Gabrielle Girling page. Okay, this is new for all of you guys on Spirit FM. All of you guys who are following, hey! It's great to have you guys with us today. So this is what you do. You like and share this page, this video, and tomorrow evening you will be in the drawing to win this cake. I'll announce the winner, and I'm so excited. And if you're out of town, which a lot of you guys are, all you will get, well, you will just have to put this video in, and then you'll get some cookies from me to you. I've been doing this, we were talking, what, 3 years now? So it's been a while. And we have people from out of town, so I would love to send you some cookies. You guys are amazing. You're awesome. I love you all. I'll see you next time. Bye.